Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of business NLP and leadership. In this era, especially is going with the fast as a human, we have a humongous potential of the aspects which put on to. So this is what the main aspect of this video. Let's deep dive into it. There are around 10 points I have to discuss about you about on this one. First is introduction of NLP. What is NLP? Is all about how we can change our thoughts, our words, our behavior. It means how we can align with ourselves that way that can able to regenerate our if most of the times if you are speaking a negative language, imagine how difficult it will be because when you are speaking in a negative language, it not damages others, it also damages you. So we can focus on being a positive person, how we are speaking positively, the words we are used like powerful, empowering, growth, success, or think about failure, can't do it, let me try. Which words it's giving you the best of it, either the first set of words or the second set of words. This is what about how we can change our thoughts, our patterns, and the words what we are using it. This will really help us of making the best version of ourselves. That's what basics of NLP. Second is about emotional intelligence. We can able to see a lot of people, they are frustrated and they are outbursting themselves towards the team meeting or themselves. The emotional intelligence plays a vital role in which NLP helps them of being a better person, controlling their emotions and speaking from the other perspectives, people perspective. That really helps them to understand and they can able to grow faster. I am in an MNC company where I am getting around 8 to 10 people, in which the emotional is really important aspect of it. The reason is if I can't control my emotions and I'm outbursting towards my team, definitely that will make an impact towards my customers and also towards the productivity of my team. So always I ensure whatever happens, I will ask them what happened, what is the reason behind it. That's how it can able to they can also express their thoughts. It means when they're expressing their thoughts, they can able to have a control of what went good, what went wrong, and how they can able to change it for the next time. So this is how we have to be in the emotional control. Third is all about improving your communication skills. Communication skills is all about how we are communicating. Let me ask you, how much the communication you are having yourself than the others? 100% of the communication happens within us. If the 100% of communication is happening with us, what is your physiology, your emotional state, how it should be? Either it should be powerful or powerless. Either it should be impactful or bored. Either it should be growth aspect or it should be a negative aspect. Think about it. This way, it really helps you to improve your communication skills. Most of the people think that communication skills is all about the grammar part or the language. But here, the language is what's the word we use, what mode we are in, what is the intention we are setting, how control our thoughts. All these aspects bring the aspect of it when we are communicating with our team, with our management, or even in the family. Fourth point is building. Imagine you are working in a team and with the person with whom you are working, you're not having a very good rapport or not having that communication between you, then how can you get the job done? The most aspect is building the rapport. A business NLP helps you of how you can build the rapport and the way that you can get the work done easily. And the fifth one is master influence and persuasion. Imagine you want to get a job from your team, and if they are telling it, I will try. It means when they're putting the word as that they can't do it. So you have to re-emphasize the words, what they are using it, how you can change with them and going through the phase because all the five fingers are not in the same. In that way, we have to adapt to the different persons, each person's differently. That will help you of becoming master influence and persuasion. The sixth one is problem solving skills. When the company is hiring, they are focusing on how this person can solve the problem for me. How this person give the solution. Because giving the solution is the most aspect when we're telling there is a problem, there is an issue, this is what happening, that's why I can't do it. Instead of that, focus on what is the solution you can give it to the organization. That way, it not only helps your organization growth, it also helps to your growth, also self growth as well. Because that will improve your confidence, that will improve your communication, that will improve your communication with the management, that will improve your influence, and that will improve your building as well. Seventh point is fostering a growth mindset. Most of the times, what I see in the team or in the organization is people, when they are joined in a company, they're stagnated in themselves. It's a fixed mindset. When you want to grow, you take the continuous education and also you take a risk where you can see the growth mindset. If I ask you what is your mission, what is your answer on that? Think about that. Write a mission for you that really helps you where you want to go in your life. The growth mindset is I am here now and where I have to go and how the way I should reach there. That is a growth mindset in simple way. So always think about how can you grow yourself. That is a major aspect. The eighth one is set and achieve goals. They couldn't achieve the goals because they're setting the wrong goals. See, I know that you have the mission and vision of having the huge goals, but you have to see how you can chunk it up, break the goals into smaller steps. That way you can able to achieve the goals every day. That's a process where you can achieve the big goals. Either you can set a daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, quarterly goals, and yearly goals. In this way, you know the path of how you are going forward. That really helps you to become a goal set, not only the goal setter, also goal achiever. The ninth one is manage stress and maintain balance. We are not able to do it in the given in the particular time. That's where the stress happens. Think about it, how you can able to do the work, what has been assigned to you in the given time, so that you can maintain the balance of your life. Because maintaining the work-life balance and maintaining the stress is really crucial. It has both hands. It should be equal. Think about that, how you can do it. The tenth one is inspire and lead by example. As a leader, it is your responsibility to inspire and lead because leadership is all about responsibility, willing to take the ownership, guiding them, solving the issues, and making them, instead of giving the solutions, think about how you can ask the questions that will be able to think and they can give the solutions. When I joined the company, one of my boss in Denmark, if there is some issues towards the customer, he gives that to me and let's discuss on tomorrow. I won't put it aside and I will wait for tomorrow. I will check it out. What is the problem? How can I solve it from the customer perspective? Carry forward the solutions. We both discuss further what are things essential to change and how we can adapt. That way, I improve the solutions that are given to the customer, to the organization. This is how you inspire. He is a person who inspired me, leader by example. Ask your colleagues, subordinates, teammates, what are the solutions? If we are giving these points, what will be the pros and cons? So when you're asking it, deep down, they can able to see what's happening and they can able to develop themselves. It not only you're leading them, it also giving them helps them to grow their career. We come to the end of this video. The conclusion is how business NLP and leadership your growth. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, and we'll see you on next video. Thank you.